author.
आगे बैठ पूरी लोग खाते हैं।
अरे फिर वो वाली खाली पड़ी है, वो सामने वाली वाली।
अरे यार मैं आ जाएंगे।
Guys, please settle down fast. Members, please make sure everyone is seated. We're about to start with the event.
तो इसको रखिए, वापस इसमें रखिए।
भाई ये अभी वो जो क्या था उससे ली थी। स्टार्ट करें? अरे किसी ने नहीं दिया अभी नहीं बना रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट बस। हाँ तो सीधा कर रहा हूँ बस। मैं तो यही हिला लो कैमरा होना चाहिए। फ़ोन मेरा है, फ़ोन नहीं चलेगा।
All the students out there, please maintain the decorum. Director ma'am is on her way, so kindly stay quiet.
एक साथ खड़ो, ऐसे साथ में मत खड़े हो, स्कैटर हो।
मैं तो चुप कर रहा हूँ।
स्कैटर हो।
Students sitting at the back, please come in the front seats.
भाई आगे 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 मैंने सबको आगे बिठाया नहीं उधर नहीं उधर आगे जाओ हाथ मार रखो आगे भाई आ जा
बच्चों को कॉल करके बोल दे, सारे आ गए। ठीक है, बढ़िया।
भाई बिठवाओ यार, हेलो बिठवाओ इनको, सबको सेटल कराओ।
All the members, please make sure students are seated at the front row. Please fill these gaps.
इसके तो मजे लेते हैं।
जाना ये मुझे क्या दिलाता है।
हमारे साइड में चल रहा, कौन सा कर रही है तू? हाँ हाँ, ये कौन सा कर रही है? मैथ्स का रहता है मेरा, फिजिक्स का भी रहता है, इलेक्ट्रिक का रहता है, तीन रहता है।
आईपैक के पास चला आईपैक के
Let's raise a hearty welcome to our esteemed dignitaries. Kindly give them a huge round of applause. Smiles are great investments. The more you collect, the better you feel. A marvelous morning to everyone. It's my honor itself to honor this beautiful audience who has gathered here. I, Harshit,
And I, Kunjika,
welcome all beautiful rising ladies and handsome gentlemen to Uncharted, beyond the known, journey to the unexplored. I am thankful to all of you for giving your precious time to us.
apart from cultural performances, our spectacular lineup of events includes Code Genesis, an ideathon designed to push the boundaries of innovation, celebrating imagination and technology for fortifying the pillars of urbanization. Whether you're a coder, designer, or a problem solver, this is your chance to shape the future. Prepare for an adrenaline pumping showdown in Dwand, the ultimate gaming battle, powered by Crafton. With a prize pool of 40,000, today's showdown will test your strategies, reflexes, and teamwork with an electrifying lineup. Bullet Echo, Cookie Run Kingdom, Red Brigade 24, Road to Valor Empires, and BGMI.
So whether you're a casual player or a seasoned pro, brace yourselves for epic clashes where only the best will emerge victorious. क्योंकि खेलने वाले हार नहीं मानते, हम तो बस respawn होते हैं. Fasten your seatbelts, open your minds, and prepare for an unforgettable journey that promises more excitement than finding Wi-Fi in a computer lab. Let the adventure begin.
Wait a second. Before we dive further into this incredible journey, let's take a moment to appreciate the real MVPs of today's event, our amazing sponsors. A big thank you to Crafton, Launchit, Reskill, StockEdge, IEEE Smart Cities, and Microsoft. We all know that great experiences aren't just built on ideas and talents. They also need a perfect blend of support, passion, and let's be honest, a little bit of fuel. And that's exactly what our event partners have given us today.
But before we begin, let's first acknowledge the presence of some of our eminent affiliates, guests, and our very own society. First and foremost, it is my privilege to extend gratitude to our founder and chief advisor mates, Dr. Nand Kishore Garg and Chairman Shri Vineet Kumar Lohia. Their visionary leadership and steadfast dedication to the advancement of education is truly commendable. We are immensely honored to have with us Professor Dr. J.V. Desai, our esteemed Director General. His mentorship and commitment to excellence have played a pivotal role in our success. With great respect, I welcome our Director, Professor Dr. Neelam Sharma. We deeply appreciate her unwavering commitment to academic brilliance and the positive impact she has made on her journey. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause. We are also deeply honored to have with us Professor Dr. Satvir Singh Deswal, our Dean. His insightful guidance and unwavering support have been instrumental in nurturing the talents of students.
It is my pleasure to extend a cheerful welcome to Dr. Sachin Gupta, Dean RNI, a true picture of positivity and optimism. I also take this opportunity to extend a heartfelt welcome to Dr. Vinay Kumar Saini, HOD AIDS, Dr. Bhumi Gupta, HOD ITE, Dr. Neelu Nagpal, Vice Chair, IEEE Smart Cities, and all the other HODs. They stand as the guiding pillars of our society, demonstrating unwavering dedication. Their invaluable support ensures that every aspect runs seamlessly. Last but not the least, I extend a special acknowledgement to our esteemed faculty members. Their encouragement is a driving fuel that fuel our ambitions and dreams.
Prayer is the key of the morning and the bolt of the evening. Before we set sail, let's take a moment to soak in the divine blessings. We will now have a traditional auspicious lamp lighting ceremony as a tribute to Mother Saraswati, goddess of knowledge. For this, I request all respected dignitaries to come upon the stage to ignite the lamp of knowledge and wisdom. And alongside, let's immerse into the divine energy as we invite on stage Tanushri, a dedicated member of the society, to perform the soulful Ganesh Vandana.
लाल चढ़ायो अच्छा गजमुख को तुम लाल विराजे सुत गौरी हर को हाथ लिए गुड़ लड्डू साई सुरवर को महिमा कहे न जाए लागत हूँ पद को जय देव जय देव जय जय जी गणराज विद्या संदाता कन्या कुमारो दर्शन में राम रमता जय देव जय देव भाव भगत से कोई शरणागत आवे संपत्ति सब ही भरपूर पावे ऐसे तुम महाराज को अति भावे वो सावी नंदन निज दिन गुण गावे जय देव जय देव जय जय जी गणराज विद्या संदाता कन्या कुमारो दर्शन में राम रमता जय देव जय देव त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्याकरणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं ममैव देव कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा तुल्यकर्मणा वा प्रकृतिस्वभावः करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणाय समर्पयामि तं केशवं रामनारायणं दामोदरं वासुदेवं हरिं वीरं माधवं गोपिकावल्लभं जानकीनायकं रामचन्द्रं भजे हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण हरे हरे
May I request all the dignitaries to come together for a group photograph? Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Student coordinators, you all are requested to join in for a photograph. Council members and executives, you all are requested to join for a photograph. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Now I request respected Director General Professor Dr. J.V. Desai and Director Ma'am Professor Dr. Neelam Sharma to be on the stage and address present gathering with their words of wisdom and bless us all.
Hello, good morning to one and all. So I can hear murmuring, good morning to one and all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Respected Dr. Nandkishore Garsal, the founder and chief advisor, and the pillar and the strength and the motivation behind all that we are doing and performing over here. Chairman Shri Vineet Kumar Lohia ji, Director General Dr. J.V. Desai, who is here to guide us in all the technical and the other events. Dr. S.S. Deswal, the Dean of MADE, the strength behind all the organizations and all the academic and administrative events that we hold. Dr. Sachin Gupta, the Dean, Research and Development Cell. Dr. Bhumi Gupta, Dr. Vinay Kumar Saini, Dr. Neelu Nagpal, the three main coordinators who are holding this event as HODs, as the coordinator of the CSI, the Computer Society of India. He has been working very, very hard For over 10 years now, he has been working with me in taking the lead for holding all the events of the CSI Society. Dr. Neelu Nagpal, who has also been, assisting and helping in the IEEE Smart Cities Activities Society. So, a warm welcome and a big round of applause for all the students for these faculty coordinators. We also have with us Mr. Dheeraj Gupta, Mr. Mihir Bagga, who are going to be the keynote speakers over here, and the CFO, Mr. JRM Tripathi, he is also here with us. I can also see Dr. Amita from the HODs, and the student coordinators, Saksham, he is there with the, and all the entire team. ये लोग हमेशा बहुत ज़्यादा कोई भी इवेंट होता है कॉलेज में, किसी तरह की एक्टिविटी होती है, तो they come forward and support and they help us in organizing the activity by controlling the students and by organizing. So it is an absolute pleasure to welcome all of you to this exciting Ideathon competition. Yesterday also we had a competition, we had an innovation मेला. तो मेरा बस ये कहना है कि सारे बच्चों के पास बहुत सारे आइडियाज़ होते हैं, आपके पास बहुत कुछ आप सोचते रहते हो, बहुत सारे आइडियाज़ होते हैं, तो यू हैव टू कम फॉरवर्ड. टेक्नोलॉजी आपको हम सिखा ही रहे हैं, तो उस टेक्नोलॉजी के ज़रिए उस आइडिया को किस तरह से इम्प्लीमेंट करना है. दिस इज़ व्हाट इज़ आइडियाथॉन. मेट हैज़ बीन एक्सेलिंग एट द नेशनल एज वेल एज द इंटरनेशनल लेवल. नेशनल लेवल में आपको पता है कि हर साल हमारी 2 से 4 टीम स्मार्ट इंडिया हैकाथॉन जो AICTE का है उसको विन करके आती है, और इस बार हमारी एक टीम इट वेंट टू दुबई एंड दे हैव वन $10,000. सो दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी बिग अचीवमेंट. $10,000 का एक अवार्ड, और ये वही टीम है. सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं, देखो जो हमारी ये टीम्स हैं, हम लोग कॉलेज लेवल पे बहुत अच्छे से प्रिपरेशन कराते हैं. तो वी हैड प्लान, माई सेल्फ एंड डॉक्टर नमिता, वी हैड प्लान कि हम लोग हैक विद मेट करेंगे. तो अब नाउ डॉक्टर भूमि हैज ऑल्सो कम फॉरवर्ड, डॉक्टर विनय हैज ऑल्सो कम फॉरवर्ड. दे आर ऑल्सो असिस्टिंग अस इन ऑर्गेनाइजिंग दीज इवेंट्स एट द इंस्टीट्यूट लेवल. तो हम आपकी प्रैक्टिस कराते हैं कि इंस्टीट्यूट लेवल में हम ये प्रोग्राम्स ऑर्गेनाइज करें. देन यू कैन गो टू अदर कॉलेजेस जहाँ जहाँ ये इवेंट्स होते हैं. यू कैन गो टू द नेशनल लेवल. And also you can keep on looking forward to such kind of events and participate in these events. This is how you are going to come forward, excel, and give your ideas to the society. So we are excited to see that the ideas that you bring to life today. Best of luck to each one of you, and let the innovation begin. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
Good morning to respected Madam and the Dean, Professor Deswal, Professor Sachin Gupta, our beloved Chief Finance Officer, Mr. Jayendra Tripathi ji, all my HODs and faculty friends, my beloved students. Once Madam's speech is over, nothing remains to talk. She always goes with a thunderbolt and summarizing everything. So the person will be in ambiguity what to talk and what not to talk. Only thing I want to share is, within a short span of around 6-7 months here, I heard a lot more about innovations. I have seen very greener part of winning the prizes, activities in the campus, inside and outside India, also students winning prizes. I keep on seeing them on the LinkedIn. I keep on hearing them about their performance in the campus itself. But my piece of advice is, I have seen both computer science as well as non-computer science projects. Though we have limitations being a affiliated college to university, you cannot abruptly change the syllabus as per the innovation required. Because I come from a background where innovations are seen very clearly even on the road in Bangalore. I've seen the type of the projects doing, the projects did by the students, and believe me, this is on par or you are much ahead of those students. Somehow Bangalore has earned a name that it is a startup hub and lot of startups are coming up. So, but I don't know about Delhi, but when compared to other colleges in the south, you people have got lot of thinking on the innovation. Unfortunately, though we have an incubation center, not much companies are registered by the students. That is the only difference I find from the south and the north. I don't know why that hesitation is there to register in our startup center. The ideas carried, the demonstrations I have seen, very good. Only lacking part, a small lacking is there which I should point out, otherwise I will be feeling my duties. 3 parts are for any engineering student. If you want to go for any startup. One is creativity, another is critical thinking, third is interdisciplinary studies. No engineering project, either it belongs to computer science or electronics, electrical, nothing like that. Even if you take a drone, it starts from a motor, a brushless DC motor, and then batteries are there, and then mechanical parts are there, wings are there. So much is there, a lot of aerodynamics is there, knowledge of aerodynamics is there, very important. So, every Indian engineering project is multidisciplinary in nature. Critical thinking in design, we call it as design thinking. As I told, we have got limitation, we cannot abruptly bring design thinking into syllabus. But with the all available resources like LLMs, like ChatGPTs, you will be able to get this kind of content, and as an engineering student, it may be in the syllabus or it may not be in the syllabus. But you have to make up your mind to study something about creativity, how to go for a critical thinking. Every small thing you do, you have to think very critically. Why this is? What is the cost effective? Whether is it cost benefiting? What is the amount involved? So what is the wear and tear in tomorrow? Yesterday I was asking a student, he was showing me a drone. I just asked him, what is required in a drone? He was unable to answer. Though his interest and the passion is very, very high, but he was unable to answer me. The one thing is that I wanted, how much time it will be there in the air? I was talking about the battery capacity. Next thing, how much payload it can take? I was talking on the motor capacity. Just if you have understood these things, the critical thinking he did not do. So how much time it will be there in the air? It is on the battery. You should have talked more on the battery. So, therefore, design thinking has to be there in all your innovations. I don't know, but maybe because of that lacuna of design thinking, you are not registering in innovation center. Definitely, being a capital, you try your luck. You register in incubation center. Lot of funds will flow. people notice you because of the population and all that. Tomorrow you will be a wonderful guy. Once again, I wish all the students best of luck for organizing these type of activities and for inviting us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Your wisdom and guidance are truly appreciated. The Computer Society of India Innovate is a prestigious student society where you step into a vibrant community where creativity meets technologies and ideas transform into reality. From immersive workshops and electrifying seminars to powerful awareness campaigns. Over the years, CSI has organized some truly amazing events, including the exciting Zypher, Internship Fair, Innovation Mela, Intern Nexus, and the Mindforce. पर ये तो बस अभी शुरुआत है, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त, आगे आगे देखो होता है क्या.
Behind every successful project stands a dedicated team. Let's shine a spotlight on the core architects of CSI Innovate. Our visionary chairperson, Saksham Gupta, Vice Chairperson, Vidhi Jain, our Secretary, Saksham Agarwal, and our Joint Secretary, Yash Gupta. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause. From being crazy to being impactful and inclusive, under their guidance and constant support, the society has reached new heights and with remarkable grace. Their expertise and leadership has undoubtedly been driving force behind the success of our events. Thank you, OG Commanders. Special mention also goes out to our heads, executives, and members of the society. Your hard work, collaboration, and innovative ideas have been invaluable in making our projects successful. Thank you for being an integral part of our journey.
Let's keep the energy flowing. Over to you, Nishtha and Sharvi.
Thank you, Harshit and Gunjika. It is an absolute honor to welcome our next distinguished speaker today, Mr. Neeraj Gupta. With an impressive career spanning the technology and finance sectors, Mr. Gupta has been at the forefront of innovation and digital transformation. He currently serves as the Associate Director at Kyndryl, where he plays a key role in driving technological advancements and enterprise solutions. We are truly privileged to have him here with us today as he shares his insights and experiences, offering valuable perspectives that will surely leave us enlightened and inspired. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Neeraj Gupta. Please give a huge round of applause for Mr. Neeraj Gupta.
Good afternoon, everyone. Let me turn on both the mics. Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, may I request people who are standing can take their seats? Okay. So first of all, I would like to thank Mate for inviting me here on this podium. And it is my pleasure and honor to be here this morning, and rather this afternoon, to share my expertise and what I feel that how it is important to be innovative. I was just gathering few of my thoughts when I was hearing Dr. Desai speaking about the critical thinking and how it is important for all of you to pay some attention to what I am speaking, especially to those who are talking. Maybe they feel that talk is more important than my talk. Right. I just need your 10 minutes of your time, not more than that. In front of you, you have invited an industry speaker who spent 35 years in the industry. Okay? And currently I am mentoring a lot of startups at IIT Kanpur and IIT Mandi. There are a lot of startups which are being mentored by me personally in the area of information security and cyber security. There is no dearth of innovation. There is no limit of any innovation. The mind can be innovative as much as you want it to be. For that, what is my first piece of advice is, first have to have a healthy body which can contain the healthy mind. Okay? And by 2030, the expertise, what I feel, and it has been also designed, as I've been speaking to various forums, that it is not going to be specific like you have got the Java programmer or any computing programmer. It is going to be the few of like AI and data expertise. That is to start with. You have the other point which is going to be that data related is idea generation. And of course, critical thinking is one of that. Because when you lead with impact on the critical thinking side, because critical thinking actually, it has a broader spectrum. It is not only in one point what you are doing, it is also means the multiple actions that why your idea should sustain. What is that impact it is going to have onto that particular industry? Okay. All of you, when you are doing your engineering or graduation and post-graduation, it is important for you to see what lies beyond. When you do your graduation, when you pass out from here, and I'm sure everyone is expected to do a job. In your day-to-day jobs, when shaping your career, you need to have the critical thinking aspect, which is very, very, very important. Okay, and the design thinking, you can only do that when you use your brain, when you give a proper thinking process. Your thinking process will define what problems you're going to solve. Is it really required, or is it just a fascination of your mind? Is it what is required by the industry? Or what is the impact it's going to have? So there are so many ideas. And as you all know, I spent about 15 years in IBM, and one of the main ThinkPad of IBM is called to think. You have got so many thought processes and so many new ideas, so many new computing powers, so many new computer technologies, which is like being inherited by the industry, and they have all come from these top companies. So what is it behind? So behind all that great generation is the thinking process. As you would know, the biggest punchline of IBM is to think. Okay, and we call the laptops as not as a laptop or a small machine. We call it a ThinkPad. The ThinkPad, which actually has gone to the moon, about 50 years back, and thinking process into the technology, because computer is going to do exactly what you ask the computer to do, right? But at the same time, and especially my message to the people who are actually hearing me, who are trying to understand what is it that I'm going to speak and what is it I'm going to put the focus on. By 2030, these are the important ingredients, what I just said, is one of the main is problem-solving techniques. If your mind is tuned towards the problem-solving techniques or strategic problem-solving techniques, then you actually can solve multiple problems. As another point is, very beautifully said by Dr. Desai, is the interdisciplinary side, which is you are not only expertise, or you do not have only expertise on the one side of it. You have to have the entire spectrum. Because once you understand the entire spectrum, then only you can see how important it is for you to actually go to the end result. Because your end result is not something which can come, just doing nothing. Your end result has to have the impact on the society. Your end result of your innovation should be to do good to the human society as a whole, right? There are so many innovations or innovative ideas I heard. One of the most talkative or one of the most talk about the innovation idea is how you are getting access into the computer. As you all know, we need a username and we need a password. Or these days you have the OTPs. But people also talk about the haptics data now. People also talk about how your behavior, your human-computer machine interaction, how your behavior is going to decide whether who you are. So something which you know, which is your username and password, something which you can generate later on, which is you can generate the OTP, which can come on your device. But all these are compromises. All these have become compromised in the past. Right now, the industry is actually dealing with, all the banks are dealing with, and this is I'm sharing with you as latest as just last month. All the banks in India and abroad, they are thinking about the user behavior-based access control mechanism system. Okay, those who are interested, they can go online and they can say user behavior based. If you just write on Google these 3-4 words, you can know more in detail what I'm talking about. So the world is changing. There used to be a time when I started my career, there used to be a time when you have the username as admin and password also as admin. But the time is gone. Okay. The time today is you need to protect the information. You need to protect, obviously, because I can go on and talk about more on the cyber security because that's what my area is. And with this related activity, which is your username and password, which is how you get into the computer system, how you make sure that actually computer understands. Today, most of you are having the mobile phone and a smart mobile phone. It actually recognizes, right? It has a face reading system. So if your mobile phone is to somebody else, he or she cannot access into the system because it is a somewhat kind of a behavior related to it. So how you behave with the machine, it actually grants the access. This is one of the innovative ideas which is now floating in the market. Now, the last point which I would like to say is, when you have the innovative idea, it actually remains for some time in the lab. After that, it goes into the production. And then it remains within the production for quite some time. Then the industry comes in. Maybe after 2 years, it depends upon how critical the idea is. After 2 years or 3 years, in this case, it has happened less than 1 year. Because industry was facing a lot of problems already. Industry in India alone, I can share the number. The Reserve Bank of India report says 2023, the reported OTP fraud in India was 7,600 crores. You can go to Google and find out the OTP fraud in India, Reserve Bank of India report, 7,600 crores only alone. So you can imagine the magnitude of these startups and these innovative ideas, how relevant they are today. All you know after this, this gathering, maybe one of these students or two or set of the students is thinking about a great idea. Maybe, I don't know. We will see that, and there are obviously the judicial systems in here who is going to decide as to which idea to take on and carry on. Maybe that idea has become the industry best practices. Maybe that idea, you think right now, and it actually is getting adopted by the industry. So I would like to give a last advice, which is very, very important. So there is a saying, if you sleep too much, you become lazy, and if you sleep too less, you become crazy. Now, sleeping pattern is very important for students. I don't know how many students are taking this advice, but I would like to give a free advice. If you just set your sleeping hours in your life, what is meant for, and I have been practicing it for past many, many years, you are actually solving more than half of your problems in your life. with that, I would like to thank and give my talk. Thanks very much.
Good afternoon, everyone. Our host mentioned the incredible career of Mr. Neeraj Gupta. What many of you do not know that Neeraj sir is a professor of practice at MATE and is currently mentoring a lot of students at ITE. He is the Associate Director for Security and Resiliency at Kyndryl, and if your projects are aligned with cybersecurity or infrastructure security, then you can request through the mentors to reach out to him for the project query that you may have. Another thing I would like to add on to what Dr. Desai said, that the incubation center we are looking forward to the second cohort. For the first cohort, we have selected 16 out of the 22 participants. And I'm proud to say that the management has waived off any charges. That means for the outside teams to be incubated here, we are charging them 2,500 rupees per month for the space. For mates, that includes MAPS, MAMES and MAIT. If there is any startup idea, we are giving you 3 months of free of cost training, and we are going to incubate you for a 3-year period without any charges, absolutely free of cost. So if you have any ideas that are commercializable, we are looking forward to having them. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for enlightening us with your expertise and vision. I now invite our respected dignitaries to present a memento to Neeraj sir as a gesture of gratitude. Please give a huge round of applause for Neeraj sir. Guys, please don't leave the auditorium. Something good is really coming up. Everyone, please be seated. How's the जोश? Guys, सब इतने चुप क्यों बैठे हो? कोई वाइवा का प्रैक्टिकल थोड़ी चल रहा है जो आप सब इतने शांत बैठे हो? Make some noise, guys. Everyone, first of all, please be seated. ऐसे नहीं बोलूंगी. यार शादी, आज मेरे पास माइक है, ऑडियंस है, प्लेटफॉर्म है. तुम्हारे पास क्या है? मेरे पास नेक्स्ट आने वाले आर्टिस्ट का नाम है. तो कर दो रिवील. Guys, make some noise, otherwise I am not going to tell. अभी भी मजा नहीं आया, और शोर चाहिए. Before we dive into the magic, let's set the mood. Shall we? A little music. नो हार्म। और थोड़ा सा गाना बजाना हो जाए तो चलिए थोड़ी वाइब सेट करते हैं और फिर बुलाते हैं अपने नेक्स्ट स्पेशल आर्टिस्ट को। गाइस अब इतने चुप क्यों हो? बिल्कुल भी शोर नहीं आ रहा है। थोड़ी हाइप क्रिएट करो, थोड़ा शोर बचाओ। Please join me in welcoming the incredibly talented, the sensational. Give it up for Pranjal Bansal. Round of applause.
Hello, check. Hello.
तालियों से स्वागत करते हैं प्रांजल बंसल का।
Hi, this is Pranjal Bansal and I will be performing for you guys. A little bit of patience and you will be very happy after the performance. I'll make sure about that. थोड़ा सा इशू आ रहा है कनेक्शन में. Once it gets done. Thank you so much for your patience. Thank you so much. Hello. How many of you guys have a Spotify premium subscription? सबके पास ही है क्या? चलो फिर तो सबने किसी ने वो ऐड नहीं सुनी होगी. Enjoy the next 30 minutes of uninterrupted listening. सुनी है? मतलब जिसके पास नहीं होगा उन्होंने सुनी होगी. So here are a few minutes of uninterrupted listening for you. ओरे मनवा तू तो बाबरा है, तू ही जाने तू क्या सोचता है, तू ही जाने तू क्या सोचता है बाबरे. सपने तू सोते जागते जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को बूंद बूंद जो बरसे सपने बूंद बूंद नैनों को बूंद बूंद कैसे मैं चलूं देख ना सकूं अनजाने रास्ते गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा 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 धीमे बोले कोई एक तारा धीमे बोले कोई एक तारा गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा गूंजा सा है कोई एक तारा सुन रही हूँ सुध बुध के कोई मैं कहानी पूरी कहानी है क्या किसे है पता मैं तो किसी की होके ये भी ना जानी रुत है ये दो पल दिया रहेगी सदा कैसी तेरी खुदगर्जी ना तू कुछ लेना चाहो कैसी तेरी खुदगर्जी किसी दौर के ना पाओ कैसी तेरी खुदगर्जी ना तू कुछ लेना चाहो कैसी तेरी खुदगर्जी किसी दौर के ना पाओ बन लिया अपना पैगंबर कर लिया तू साथ समंदर फिर भी सूखा मन के अंदर क्यों रहेगा ये सबीरा माने जा ये फकीरा यूं न जा आजा तुझको पुकारे तेरी परछाइयाँ ये कबीरा माने जा रे फकीरा यूं न जा कैसा तू है निर्मोही कैसा हर जाइया रे कबीरा रे कबीरा रे कबीरा रे कबीरा संग तेरे है कबीरा रे कबीरा रे कबीरा Do we have any Gajendra Verma fans? रात आहे भरता पल पल यादों में मरता माने ना मेरी मन मेरा थोड़े थोड़े होश मदहोशी सी है नींद बेहोशी सी है माने ना मेरी मन मेरा आशिकी तेरा पुराना है ये दीवाना दीवाना समझे ना कभी चुप चुप रहे कभी गाया ये करे बिन पूछे तेरी तारीफ सुनाया ये करे है कोई हकीकत तू या कोई फसाना है दिल जाने अगर कितना किए तेरा दीवाना है मन मेरा माने ना मन मेरा मन मेरा माने ना मन मेरा मुझको मुझको ना जितना मुझ पे उतना जब को तुझ पे यूं तो नहीं एतबार तन्हा लम्हों में अपने बुनती हूँ तेरे सपने तुझसे हुआ मुझको प्यारो पूछूंगी तुझको कभी ना चाहूँ मैं या ना तेरे ख्वाबों में अब जीना चाहूँ मैं या ना guys, how many of you were lucky enough? Guys, attention. Do we have any Ed Sheeran fans? मतलब इंग्लिश सुनते हैं, मतलब बहुत लोग सुनते हैं, right? And how many of you did attend the concert as well in Gurgaon? मैंने नहीं अटेंड किया था, मेरे पास कोई वैलेंटाइन नहीं था अटेंड करने के लिए साथ में। चाहतों का मैं जैसे कोई नादानी, तू रंग चाहतों का मैं जैसे कोई नादानी, मुझे तुझसे जोड़ दे तो मेरी यार बात बन जाए, शरबतों का तू मीठे घाट का पानी, मैं शरबतों का तू मीठे घाट का पानी, शायरों से लफ्ज़ लेती थोड़े से उधार, बोलना ही चाहता हूँ दिल से तुमको यार, हो रहा था हो गया है हल्का सा खुमार, कोई ना रहा है दिल पे अपने जोर, लव भी थोड़ा लव भी थोड़ा खुदा मुझको बता कहाँ क्या तेरा पता, हम तो यहाँ पे मुसाफिर हैं, जो ढूंढे अपनी मंजिल का पता, अदा तेरी अदा हुआ थी, जहाँ मेरी जान जाती है, तन्हाइयों में रहता हूँ, तुमसे ही अब से कहता हूँ, क्यों तूने दिल तोड़ा, क्यों तूने यूं छोड़ा, क्यों तेरा अब भी रहे दिल को इंतज़ार, क्यों चली आती है, क्यों तड़पाती है, क्यों हूँ अब भी मैं यूं बेकरार, आसमानों को और दो जहानों को छोड़ के आई तेरे पास, आसमानों को और दो जहानों को छोड़ के आई तेरे पास, मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी, दुनिया की सुन है क्यों, उसकी भी सुन कभी, मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी, दुनिया की सुन है क्यों, उसकी भी सुन कभी, रात मुझे क्यों जाने लगे यूं, कहती है खुद को बदलोगे तू, चांद को चख दे तारों को जीने, आ जाना थोड़ा सा जीने तू चल चले गिरे पड़े उठे उड़े, या तुझको लगा दो मेरे पर, इस रात में बीते उम्र सारी उम्र, रात भर रात भर ना भर जाए ना भर, शामे मलंग सी रातें सुरंग सी, भागी उड़ाते ना जाने, इलाही मेरा जी आए आए, इलाही मेरा जी आए आए, सवालों का सफरनामा, शुरू तुमसे खत्म तुम पे, सफरनामा मेरी ओर से ओर को कदम मिलाओ मेरे आशियाना मेरा साथ तेरी है, ढूंढती तेरी गली इतनी अर्ज तो से चल चल खाइयो ना अर्ज यार खाइयो ना बोले ना खाइयो ना बोले ना पिया के बोलल पिया खाइयो ना बोले ना बोले खाइयो ना बोले ना पिया के बोलल पिया ओ नादा पर
Guys, sing along.
घर आजा घर आजा घर आजा घर आजा नादा परिंदे घर आजा नादा परिंदे घर आजा नादा परिंदे घर आजा नादा परिंदे घर आजा
Show some excitement, guys.